All right, YouTube. This is BJ from the 478. And man, you're not gonna believe what I got going on today. I'm selling my new wheels. I got a new project I'm working on, and I wanna go with a little something different. And guess what? These will be up for sale. Inbox me, however you wanna do it. Shoot me a price. You know, they're up for grabs. Anybody want it? Oh, check out my new YouTube. Looks 100. Anybody want them? They'll be up for grabs. Inbox me, leave me a message. You know, I'll get back with you. Let me know. They're practically brand new. They will come with your floater caps. I want to go back with a larger lip on the rear and probably bring out the skirts a little bit and probably run a 12 on it. 24 by 12 would be nasty on it. And I'm gonna go back with a wheel with a larger lip. And I don't know. I'm hard to please when it comes to certain things, and this is one of them. I can't decide what I want. I love these wheels. Don't get me wrong. They are absolutely drop dead gorgeous. If you pay attention, like I said in my other videos, they actually ride the lip. This ECL wheel is got a 6-inch lip. They're 24 by 10s in the rear. They are 24 by 8s up front. And there's not a mark on these wheels either. They are absolutely pristine. They're about a month old, give or take. See, no marks. Now, in doing this, let me know what you think. I'm not sure. I don't want to go 26s, but I'm bored with it. I got bored with it kind of quick. I wanted something different that no one has had, you know, but I'm tired of them already. I want something different. I'm not gonna put the wide body skirts on the front. I'm just gonna do the wide in the rear, get them custom painted, same color. I may lose the skirts, I'm not sure. But I want a 12 on the rear with like an 8-inch lip. And I think that'll be nasty. That'll be perfect for that setup. And we shall see. All right, another thing too. I have one of my good subscribers. They leave me awesome comments. I love them. A lot of people give him thumbs up when he makes it, and makes his nice little comments. They're always good and everything. It's King DJ Slim, and let me show you what Mr. Slim won today. Mr. Slim, you won new merchandise. And you also won an active delete kit for your active valve system. And I think you said you had a Challenger, and there you go. You have 48 hours to hit me up to claim your prize. I need all your information, where I need to send it to you. You get free shipping, not gonna cost you not one dime. All on me. This is a $200 product, shipped and handled. I decided, hey, I'm not gonna wake up my neighbors with this. You can. So guess what? They're yours. Mr. King DJ Slim, you have 48 hours to hit me up. Leave me a message, and you are a winner of free t-shirts and also this active delete for your Challenger. Hey, look, all my subscribers, I give away merchandise all the time. I give away free stuff. I help feed the kids. I feed the hungry. I do homeless shelters. I give back. So, in saying that, when I do have merchandise to give away, hey, Lucky you. Give me your thumbs up. Leave me great comments. And we go from there. Stay tuned. Hit me up. All right, YouTube.